Now see this question. Find the center and radius of the circle. An equation of circle is given. In the previous question, the equation was already in the form of x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals to r square. But here it is not in the standard form. So what we will do, first we'll convert it into the standard form, and then we will compare. So when you observe the standard form of the circle, then it is x minus h the whole square, means whole square. So what we have to do, we have to make it whole square. Okay, so first we'll write all the terms with x together and all the terms with y together, and we'll try to make it a whole square as we used to do in class 10. Perfect square. We just want to make it a perfect square. So x square minus 4x. This 4x can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x, because we have minus 2ab in the formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square. Here at the place of a square we have x square. It means the value of a is x. Now we just need to find the value of b. So we'll find it from here. So 2 is already in the formula. This x is nothing but the value of a. So now the remaining term is nothing but the value of b. So this is b. But we need b square. So what we will do, we'll add 2 square and also we will subtract 2 square. So these three terms will give you the perfect square term, x minus 2 the whole square. Okay, and we'll transpose this term to RHS. The same process we'll do with term with y. Here, when you write this 8y as 2 multiplied by 4y, then 2, this is the value of a, then this is nothing but the value of b. So here b is 4, but we need b square. So we will write 4 square, we'll add 4 square and also we'll subtract 4 square. 4 square is nothing but 16. So after simplification, we will get x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square, and the remaining terms will transpose to RHS, and there we will get 65. But in the standard form, we have r square in the RHS. So this 65 can be written as root 65 the whole square. In the previous questions, 36, which is a perfect square. So 36 can be written as 6 square. But this 65 is not a perfect square. So this 65 can be written as root 65 the whole square. So now when we compare, we will find that the value of h is 2, the value of k is 4, and the value of r is root 65. Hence the center is 2, 4 and radius is root 65.